y'all, welcome back to the channel. I got a gem for y'all today, specifically for small YouTubers or aspiring YouTubers could benefit from this as well. But I am breaking down how I have ranked in search multiple times as a small YouTuber. Now, ranking in search, I mean when someone searches something and your video comes up on the first page. I have ranked quite a few times, so I want to share the sauce, you know what I'm saying? The keys to how to do it. It is completely possible to do it. You do not have to be a big YouTuber to rank, obviously, and I am sharing how to do that today, so keep on watching. Yeah, I've been busy ballin'. So I've got my little notes right here. I'm going to screen record the process on my phone and put it on the side somewhere on screen so y'all can follow along. My original plan was to take y'all through the whole entire vidIQ app, show y'all every single feature, how to use it, blah, 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 but I decided that's gonna make the video way too long, and I just want to give you what you came here for on how to rank in search. So, like I said, I use vidIQ. It's an app very, very similar to TubeBuddy. They are both apps that specialize in keyword research, basically how to use keywords in your videos to better optimize your videos for search. vidIQ has a couple different payment plans. So the basic plan is the free plan, but I would not recommend this if you're serious about your YouTube channel because you can only do so much with the free plan, which they do that on purpose. They want you to pay for the app, obviously. So I would recommend the Pro, which is $7.50 a month. That's what I pay for. Actually, I pay $9.99 a month for mine, so I don't know. I need to look into that because the internet says $7.50 a month, but I pay $9.99. Anyway, hopefully it's $7.50 for y'all. It's extremely helpful, and like I said, I've ranked in search multiple times with this plan, and I do not use vidIQ Boost or Boost Plus. Boost is $39 a month, and obviously it allows you to do even more than the Pro plan, but like I said, I've done it without Boost, so I ain't paying $39 a month for no app. So, and then Boost Plus is actually $415 a month, and that is for like big corporate companies that have YouTube channels or like social media agencies that run multiple influencers accounts, YouTube channels and stuff. That's what that one's for. Go with vidIQ Pro. It is much more affordable than all the fancy options, and you get way more access to more features than the basic plan. So when you open the app, it's gonna have like a toolbar at the bottom. It's got your dashboard, daily ideas. There's optimize down there, but what we want to focus on today is research. You search the tags or the topic you want to do a video about, and vidIQ gives you a score out of 100 based on search volume, which is how often people are searching for that specific term, and then competition level, which is how thick the competition is who are doing videos with that same keyword. You want the search volume to be high and you want the competition to be low. Keywords that are high in search volume and low in competition gives you a better chance to rank because so many people are searching for that key term and not a lot of people are making content about it. So there's a higher chance that you will rank for that. Obviously, you want to get that number as close to 100 as possible. The closest I've gotten is 71. They also, for you visual people out there, they also give each score range has like a color. So the closer to 100 is in the green, but the further away from 100 you get, it starts to get orange, like a marigold color, and then kind of like a red. You want to avoid anything red and orange. Like I don't even pay attention to keywords that come up that are red and orange because obviously it's not good keywords. I try to do green, and sometimes I will do a yellow here and there. I also have one exception to this rule. I will get back to that. So for the example, I'm going to use the keyword YouTube SEO because that is the one I searched for this video. Okay, that is a 70 out of 100. That is a good keyword. So the volume, search volume is 73, very high. That means a lot of people are searching videos about YouTube SEO. Competition is low. So that means not a lot of people are making content on this topic. When you're uploading your YouTube video, they give you a tag section. Okay, so that is where all your keywords are gonna go. Once they show you the related ones, what I do is I take multiple of the related keywords and I use as many green options as I can. A related one is YouTube SEO tutorial. That got a 60. I'm gonna use it. How to rank YouTube videos got a 67. I'm gonna use that one. Does that make sense? So all the keywords that are green, I'm gonna use those. But mind you, you only get 500 characters when you're building up your tags for your video. 500 characters, not 500 words. Okay, so don't get that confused. So I will click the view all on the related keywords, use all the green ones, as many as I can, and I also like to use the ones that make sense to the video and my channel as well. So for example, YouTube SEO Nadir came up and it was 66 and that's green, but I don't want to use that because my name ain't Nadir. But obviously Nadir is some kind of YouTuber that makes a lot of content about YouTube SEO and people are searching for his video specifically. So that's all fine and good, but I'm not going to use that tag because I'm not Nadir. So I'll skip that one. Like I said, I would try to use as many green tags as I can. It really varies. Sometimes some topics only come up a couple green ones and then you have to get creative with the other ones that you want to use. But YouTube SEO has a lot of variations. You can do how to rank in search, how to optimize YouTube videos, stuff like that. You want to research all those keywords, get them as many as green as possible up to for your 500 characters. So what if you search a keyword, it's green, but it doesn't come up with a lot of related keywords for you to use as well? That happens a lot to me. So for example, when I'm doing my streetwear kind of videos, I talk a lot about Dope Skill brand. They're a brand that makes clothes specifically for Jordan brand releases, right? I talk about them a lot on my channel, so I get a lot of questions about, oh, do they scam, or what size was that shirt? So let's search Dope Skill brand review. Okay, Dope Skill brand review got a 70 out of 100. That is good, but the search volume is only 41. So that's not a lot of people are searching for it. But because the competition is so low, that's telling you that you're gonna rank and search for this keyword simply because there's no competition at all. This is actually the lowest I've seen the competition level on vidIQ. That's kind of crazy, but that's what's bumping it up to 70 out of 100. So when someone does search for Dope Skill brand on YouTube or even Google, I will probably come up. But like I said, right, there's no related keywords. Because there's such little content about it and people are not searching for it a lot, there's really no related keywords that the algorithm could come up with. You got to get creative on how to optimize this video. So do Dope Skill brand. That got a 49 out of 100. Competition is very low as well, but the search volume is too low, so I will not use that one. Dope Skill brand legit, that came up on the suggestions. That was a 67 out of 100. I will use that one. Dope Skill clothing, that came up 67 out of 100. That is green as well, and I will use that one. If I'm featuring Dope Skill in a video, that usually means I'm doing a sneaker lookbook or a streetwear type outfit, so then I would add tags or keywords that are related to streetwear and sneakers as well. They don't all have to be about Dope Skill because that's not the sole thing that you're speaking about in the video most of the time. So the names of sneakers are always good to add to your tags or your keywords because a lot of people search for sneaker reviews, on feet, unboxing, outfit ideas for sneakers. Like that's always a good keyword to use if you are discussing a sneaker and all its variations. So say if I'm doing a Jordan Playoff 12, right? I'm going to use keyword Jordan Playoff 12, Air Jordan Playoff 12, Air Jordan 12 Playoff, Air Jordan 12 Playoffs. Like, does that make sense? So you need to be using every variation of the keyword because people search for shoe names differently. I'm hoping I'm making sense, but people search for things in different ways, but you want to add the keywords in all its variations. This Dope Skill video we're using as the example, I would also use streetwear keywords. So I would do streetwear try-on haul, streetwear brands, streetwear lookbook 2022, stuff like that. Adding the year is always good. Another example, if you're doing Fashion Nova haul, you don't want to just do a keyword Fashion Nova haul and that's it. You want to do Fashion Nova haul, Fashion Nova try-on haul, Fashion Nova try-on haul 2022, 2022 Fashion Nova hauls. All its variations you need to be adding. Back to the topic at hand, after you add all your tags or keywords that you are allowed, and they're all predominantly green, leave just a little room for your name as a keyword as well. Okay, so I put Alexis Arlette as a keyword in every single video, because say you're promoting your channel on Facebook, right? You could tell people like, hey, you know what I'm saying, here's my channel name, Alexis Arlette. People are going to go to YouTube and search Alexis Arlette. You want to optimize your videos to come up when people search your name. Also, algorithms are not smart enough to differentiate your name as a keyword and other random keywords, if that makes sense. You can rank on vidIQ for your name, but the algorithm will say, hey, that's your channel name. That's not fair. We're not going to allow you to rank. It doesn't work like that. They're going to look at it as, hey, you came up #1 on YouTube search for this keyword. Great job. Like, you know what I'm saying? But it's just your name. But that's another way I like to trick the algorithm a little bit and get my scores up higher out of 100. When I mentioned the colors of the keyword searches, like you want to get in the green, your name will always be in the orange, yellowish, red color, but that's the only exception I take. So how do you know you ranked in search? What vidIQ does is you would go to the Optimize tab and you can check back in periodically how your ranking is doing, right? So you will go to the keyword section that you chose and they will have a blue number next to the keywords that you ranked for. I can show you an example of these because I have ranked in search and I am still ranked in search for a bunch of keywords. So example, my Steve Madden video, when people search Steve Madden Vava Cognac thigh high boot or Vava Cognac patent Steve Madden thigh high boot, which it's not likely that people are going to search that long of a keyword, but some people do, obviously, and I will come up #5 on YouTube search for both of those keywords. That is my most viewed video. It is also my most well optimized video to date. For my cool gray video, I am #8 when people search Jordan 11 cool gray outfits. When they search how to style cool gray 11s, I will also come up #9. If they search Jordan 11 cool gray outfit, I will come up #11. Like when I was saying all the variations of one keyword, I used so many different variations of the cool gray 11 keyword, which allowed me to rank and search for multiple of those keywords for one video. Does that make sense? I'm still ranked #1 for this specific video. I did it a long time ago. When people search for 1 shirt, 6 outfits, I come up #1 for that keyword. Couple things to remember when you are doing this for your videos, right? Keyword scores and the colors and stuff, they change over time. For example, my Timberland video, multiple ways to style Timberland boots, and also my SneakerCon video. When people stop searching for it, the search volume will go down, which means the score for that keyword will also go down and affect your ranking. So at one point I was ranking in search for SneakerCon Chicago videos, but now the SneakerCon is way over. People aren't searching for that actively anymore. The views for that video peaked, I guess, and now because SneakerCon has been over almost 7 or 8 months, the volume, the search volume has went down significantly. As time goes on, certain keywords just lose their relevancy, and that means your rank will change over time as well. You're not going to be #1 for a keyword forever. But I also wanted to mention that this does not measure the quality or usefulness of the information you share on your channel. This is strictly how well it's optimized for people to find it. But this does not mean that your video overall is trash if it doesn't rank in search. Does that make sense? Thinking like that will really just degrade your confidence, and that has happened to me. Hope y'all enjoyed that free game. I really hope it was not as long as I think it is, because y'all won't be staying for the whole video. But definitely use this strategy. I am giving y'all free game. Use this strategy. I promise you will rank in search eventually once you get the hang of it. Comment if you want. Let me know if you want a more in-depth tutorial on how to use vidIQ because that's not the only thing I use it for. So let me know. By the way, this was not sponsored. Comment something else if you want. Like if you liked it. Definitely subscribe though, and I will see y'all in the next one.
All you wanna do is give me more. I can never see me going back.